If you want to change the opacity of videos or any other element in CapCut, I'm gonna show you how to do it. For example, I have this Minecraft video right here and I want to add another video as an overlay on top. Let's say this lightning particle video. Let's first drag this video on top of the Minecraft video. Then we go to Video, Basic, and right here open blend, and now you can just change the opacity for this video, for example to 25%. This already creates the opacity blending overlay effect, but we can also put it back to 100% and choose another blending mode right here. Just try out and find the best blending mode for you. The great thing is you can also change the opacity after selecting a blending mode, so both of them are taking effect. If you want to create a fade-in opacity effect, just put the cursor line to the beginning of the video and then change the opacity to 0. Add a keyframe by clicking on this diamond icon, change the cursor line to another position and then put the opacity back to 25%. This will automatically create another keyframe, or you can just do it manually by clicking on the diamond icon again. And this way you are creating a fade-in opacity effect. You can also fade out this opacity effect just by adding another keyframe right before the end, and then the last keyframe to put the opacity back to 0. And that's it. Thank you for watching.